Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Tonight I'll be trying to fly my UMX Turbo Timber with the added lights and pretty thick fog. Luckily the moon is still visible and pretty bright, but other than that you can barely see 50 feet away. So I'll try and see how this goes. Wish me luck. Okay, so far so good. I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but I can still see the plane. I actually wanted to try flying in the fog a few days ago during the morning, but by the time my battery was charged the fog was all gone, so I just gave up. Maybe it's better I try this at night first. I was worried the plane wouldn't be visible enough, but I think the darkness helps. It's pretty far out now and I can still see it, so I think I'm okay. This is the first time I'm flying the UMX Turbo Timber since I got the UMX Timber X, and you can see they are different. Just the power alone, 2S versus 3S. Turbo Timber feels really slow now. And of course it's not as maneuverable. Ooh, okay. The one drawback on this is lights on the wings, the ones that I've added, are only visible from the bottom, so in certain angles you can barely see the wings. Hopefully it still has those nav lights, which help a bit. I was thinking, now that I've added the lights on my UMX Timber X, if you haven't seen that video, check it out, see how I did it. I was thinking about doing the same thing on the Turbo Timber. I think it should be possible. Make it an even better night flyer. Oh. Can honestly say after a few flights with the UMX Timber X, this is way more relaxing, even with all this fog. I don't feel like it's trying to hit the ground every second. That might just be me. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the Timber X, the big one and the small one. I was actually thinking of flying the big Night Timber X, but it's pretty noisy. I'm flying behind my house, so there are neighbors around and can get uncomfortable. Maybe, I don't know how much they can hear from inside. Okay. It went pretty far into the dark and I can still see it. I guess it's okay. Okay, 0 throttle, full flaps. It's gliding and coming down slowly. Almost forgot how this thing flies. Yeah, I don't know. For me at least, the UMXs are a lot more convenient to fly around here. Yeah, it's doing great with the fog. I don't know how much it shows on camera. There goes my timer. I think I have it set for 6 minutes on this, flying on a 500 milliamp 2S. I know it can go much longer. Straight, slow and low pass. Actually, the fog's gone better now. Earlier when I started charging the battery, I could barely see the street lights. That looks like a ball of light, the plane going through the fog. Now that I've tried it, I would like to try it in even thicker fog. See how it goes. Okay, let's go up a bit against the moon. Okay, I'm gonna try and bring it in for a landing. Ooh. Flaps. Full flaps. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Okay, tell me what you think, guys. Let me know if you'd like to see me redo the lights on this. If it's a good idea or not. I think I will do it at a certain point. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, press that like button, leave a comment. See you soon. Bye.